Hello, welcome back to my random hobby channel. So, third pack of Edge of Eternity's Play Booster pack. It's getting late. It's now 9 p.m. here in Germany. And I have still work tomorrow. Medyo naantok na rin ako kasi medyo nalabas kami kanina. We went to a Asian festival, Islas. Medyo malayo dito. So, yeah, medyo pagod pero nabusog sa mga Thai foods. And yeah. Sky Stinger. Yap and crack, boys. Yap and crack. Exosuit Savior. Embrace Oblivion. Mental Modulation. Try natin kung maka-apat tayo. Plasma Bolt. Gene Pollinator. Temporal Intervention. Maybe I'll do some long format. I'll just upload it to this channel. Maybe yung sa daming segue, no? Ito, yung Jumpstart 2022 kasi marami yan. Hopefully, makuha natin dun yung Ristic Study and yung Ristic Study din sa Final Fantasy. So, Interceptor Mechan. Oop. That two goes here. Teaser. Ooh, Disrupting Blast. Aha, that's weird. Bet ko yung art niya. So, dito siya. And Ragos, Death's Gastronaut. So, yeah, medyo sikat siya. At the moment, sa mga commander decks, I don't know. But, yeah, that's our, yeah, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Exosuit Savior as our foil. Ooh! Land. Forest. Nice. Love this. And foil! And our lander token. I think hindi kayang pang-apat. So, Sean Rimal. Until next time, for now. Ciao! Pakmas!